Yo guys, it's Costa, and we're playing the newly released The Amazing Spider-Man video game for the Xbox 360. In this video, we'll be unlocking the Future Foundation alternate costume. First things first, you're going to want to be signed into a profile, but you're going to want to be offline. Then you're going to want to go to System Preferences and change the date to 27th of August 2012. That's 27/8/2012. If you're online, it'll change the date back to what it actually is, and it's crucial that the date is 27/8/2012. So we're gonna look at an overhead view right now. We're at the edge, the north edge of the map, on a gas station. You're gonna want to jump off the gas station and come into this little alley right here, and you're going to see a golden spider emblem. It's kind of hard to miss if you're flying overhead, but here's the emblem. The box will turn green when you're looking at it with the camera, but for me it's not because I already took the picture, so just snap the picture and you'll unlock the Future Foundation Spider-Man costume. Join me next time when we unlock another alternate costume, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.